Welcome back to DeLorean Rental. On today's episode, we're going to be taking a look inside the car in the door panels because there's something very, very interesting going on that every DeLorean actually has, and that is caveman drawings. That's right. There are caveman drawings inside the DeLoreans, inside their doors, that factory workers used to write on every single DeLorean. So we're going to replace some of the headliner today and take out those door panels and let you see what's inside. All right, now we just got done washing the DeLorean, and as you'll see, these panels, they have no headliner on them. So when I bought this car, already knew that the headliner was so bad I was gonna have to replace it. The interior is sagging a bit. These are known to sag quite a bit. So I purchased a new headliner. The entire headliner, both doors and inside, is being replaced here this weekend. Today, I wanted to see what's behind these, because as we mentioned, there are secret drawings, secret writing that in the DeLorean community is known as caveman drawings that were done by the workers in the early 80s. So we're gonna take this old piece off very gingerly and bring you guys inside to let you see what is actually inside. We just had Amazon pull up. Amazon delivery. He's never seen Back to the Future. I am sad. I told him he needs to go watch it tonight, so he's gonna do that tonight. So again, this is the first time I'm popping this off before we put the new headliner in. I've never seen what's behind this, so we are all gonna be seeing this together. Oh yeah, that one came out pretty easy. And again, I'm gonna have to use a tool that I have that takes all these out, because these are, some of them come out easier than others, but that's how it happens. We peek down in here. Oh yeah, there's definitely writing under there. So we've got one more here to come out. Okay. So there's the writing. What does this say? 74, 2.36 OKJD. So it looks like this was January the 20th of 1982. 25L VIN, that's my correct VIN, and just some other numbers. So it really depends on, I think, who you are and the company, what you want to put in there, all that fun stuff. So here we go. Here's the actual caveman writing in mine, and it's upside down. So sometimes they sign their name. I've seen all kinds of different stuff. So on my DeLorean, this particular DeLorean, that's what you're seeing on this one. We're going to replace this piece. We're gonna put the headliner in, and then we're gonna go to the other side of the car and see what's written on there. So you hang on tight. We're gonna come right back and see what's on the other door.
A few moments later.
All right, and now we are around to the second door, and of course somebody's out mowing and doing what they need to do. Got the headliner put in the driver's side door, which is looking really nice. We'll put a picture up of that. And now we'll see what is under this one. Driver's side one was extremely easy to pop on. Oh, these are just so fragile. They've been on here for so long. Again, this has never been opened, so this particular headliner's never been replaced. So let me get this towel down real quick, and let's see if we got anything behind this one, which I suspect we're going to. They do come off fairly easy, because it's so old. All right, and we do got some more here. It looks to be similar to the other one. So again, must have been the same guy doing both of these doors. Nothing overly crazy on ours. I've definitely seen a lot of crazy stuff on some other cars where people have drawn pictures and signed their name and whatnot. But this gives you a really good representation of what the caveman drawings are on these beautiful cars. So I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing here, which is replacing the headliner. And you can see on this one, it's looking really, really nice. This one turned out beautiful. All right, we've got both door headliners installed in the car. And over the weekend, we're gonna work on the remainder of the interior of the car so we can get it looking nice and beautiful. So that was the driver's side, and here's the passenger side. They are looking beautiful. Super, super easy to get installed. Almost like a plug and play. A little more intricate than that, but she's looking good. So hope you guys enjoyed this tiny little video about the DeLorean caveman drawings. It is an interesting item that every DeLorean has. Wish mine were a little crazier, but hey, it was cool to see inside the doors and see what was actually written on them. So until next time, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment, leave us a like, let us know what you thought, and stick around. We got a lot more fun coming up.